Thank you, Deputy Speaker, sir, for giving me the opportunity to raise a short duration discussion on the Rule 50 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business, the news items published in Nongsynshar, dated 26 February 2025, under the caption, iahap ka Jaintia, rai halor ka lynti nai tuklar kibanabar kermen shela. Or that the people of Jaintia decides on railway line, outsiders don't interfere. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I would like to raise these pertinent issues before the House with regards to the statement made by the Minister concerned, which I feel that the statement given by the Minister is inappropriate, especially as a Minister. I take strong exception to 3 points through this statement made by him. One is with regard to the issue of railway line, and number 2 is with regard to outsiders, and number 3 where the Minister said that don't interfere. And before I start, I would like to make it very clear that as a party, the Voice of the People Party, we are not against development, nor we are against railway connection. Especially, we understand the need to have goods train, especially in this part of the country, though we are not much in favor of passenger train. But nonetheless, though we are in favor of railway connection in the state, but this can only happen if there is proper mechanism check, or proper mechanism should be in place so as to see that there is no influx in the state. Presently, though without railway connection, we are seeing that the influx of illegal immigrants is on the rise in our state, and with the coming of a railway line, this will only compound the problem that is there in our state. So I would like to make it very clear that we are not against railway connection, but provided that proper mechanism is in place so as to see to it and to check the influx of illegal immigrants within our state. Like for example, people do raise this issue that almost all states in India have been connected by train, and even the state of Meghalaya in the Garo Hills, certain portion has been connected by railway lines. But as far as the Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills is concerned, the people are still skeptical as far as the railway connection is concerned. And we still stand by it that until and unless there is proper mechanism, like for example in the other tribal states in northeastern part of India, like for example in Mizoram, Nagaland, they do have certain mechanism to check the influx, especially of illegal immigrants by way of inner line permit. And I do request the government that before we think of implementing or bringing railway connection in our state, we should first bring the inner line permit within our state. And I would also like to take a strong exception to the statement made by the Minister, where he said that outsiders don't interfere. I don't know what does he mean by the word outsider, whereas I am concerned. I always use this phrase, Krendiam upnar, ubhoy war, maram lingam, udi upat khasi bayar. This means that as a Khasi, we are one community, united, and through the statement made by the Honorable Minister, I find that he was trying to bring what is known as divisive politics among the Khasis, which I strongly condemn the statement made by the Honorable Minister. Yes, before we talk about development, let me remind this august house, especially in today's world, when we talk about development, it is often talk in terms of sustainable development, where when we talk about sustainable development, it is an approach to growth and human development that aims to meet the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. This is with regards to sustainable development. And in the same way, I would like to state that, yes, as a state and as a community, we do need development, but not at the expense of our existence and the identity of our community. And without proper mechanism, it might lead to the change of demography in our state. And before I would like to wind up, I would like to state that yes, we do need inflow of tourism, inflow of goods and services in our state, but we don't need influx, especially of illegal immigrants. So with these few words, I would like to resume my seat. Thank you.